Hey guys, this is our new letter for today. All right, this is the letter D, capital D and lowercase d. All right, and D says d, d, d for our dog friend. All right, so let's look at our story. So Miss Hendry was in the yard and she was playing with the dog. She said, "Hey, little doggy." Oh no, but he started digging in the dirt. D, d, d digging in the dirt, and he splashed yucky dirt all over Miss Hendry. Isn't that gross? Look at all that dirt. So let's d d dig with our hands like the d d dog. Isn't that some nasty, yucky dirt? Look, Miss Hendry saying, "Ah!" That's silly. All right. So some things that start with the d sound. Of course, dog, dinosaur, donut, door, dirt. All right. So this is the letter D. Let's look back. Hendry was in the yard with her dog friend. He started digging, and he got yucky dirt all over Miss Hendry. All right. Bye, guys.